And now we learn parting the wild horse's mane. First, we learn it mechanically. Circle your hands with the right hand on top as you are holding a ball. Shift your weight to your right leg. Turn your waist to your left. Pick up your left heel. Then step left legs out. Heel down first. Toes down, foot flat. Shift your weight from right leg to left leg. Adjust your right toes slightly in an angle. And now we change the hands. Bottom hand rise up to your shoulders level. And right hand press down in front of your right leg. Now let's do that again from the first opening position. Circle both hands to hold the ball. Right hand on top. Shift the weight to your right leg. Picking up your left heel. Turn your waist to left. Step. Heel. Toes down. Shift away from right leg to left leg. Adjust right toes in a slight angle. Separate the hands. Left hand from the bottom, rise up to your shoulder level high. Right hand press down in front of your right leg. At this point, I'd like to point out most common mistake people make. One is the positions of your left knee. The correct way is to make sure your left knee and your left ankle are perpendicular to the ground. The common mistakes people make is by extending your knee forward. When we do this, you are pulling the pressure of your body weight into your left knee. And this done improperly, you will have knee injury in the future. So it's important that we have the knee and your ankle are perpendicularly lines up. Second mistake people make is their upper body is leaning back too much. We need to make sure the body feels naturally upright and is comfortable. Now let's do that again from the opening position. Circle both hands with the right hand on top. Two hands face each other. Shift your weight to your right leg. Turn your waist, picking up left heel, and step left heel down, left toes down. Shift your weight from right leg to left leg. Adjust your right toes in an angle. Extend left hand from the bottoms up to shoulder level. Press your right hand down in front of your right leg. And now, let's do that one more time. From the opening, this time we are going to execute our movements much smoother. And you will also notice that the timing of the hands is slightly different. Before we move our body one part at a time, but now we are all going to move together to coordinate everything together. Circle our hands to embrace like a ball, right hands on top. Shifting weight to right, picking up left heel, steps out heel and toes. Shifting weight from right to left, adjust right toes, and the hands now separate at the same time. Bottom hand goes up, top hand press down. Finished, same time. A little bit more smoother, and we shall move like the water. It flows without any hesitations. Circle both hands, right hands on top. Shift your weight to the right, picking up left heel to step out. Heel, toes down. Shift weight, adjust right toes. Separate hands, left hand up, right hand press down. And now, let's do that one more time. From the opening, we will move smoothly upper body, lower body at the same time. Circle both hands to embrace. Turn your waist to the left, picking up left, steps out, foot flat, shifting weight, separate hands, adjust right toes.